How to fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress. Are you seeing 500 internal server error in WordPress? Internal server error is one of the most common WordPress errors. Since the error doesn't give any other information, many beginners find it quite frustrating. In this video, we will show you how to easily fix internal server error in WordPress. What causes internal server error in WordPress? Internal server error is not specific to WordPress. It can happen with any website running on a web server. Due to the generic nature of this error, it does not tell the developer anything. Asking how to fix an internal server error is like asking your doctor how to fix the pain without telling them where the pain is. How to solve these errors in WordPress. Method 1. Checking for corrupt access file. The first thing you should do when troubleshooting the internal server error in WordPress is check for the corrupted access file. You can do so by renaming your main access file to something like access_old. To rename the access file, you will need to log into your site using FTP or File Manager app in your hosting account's cPanel dashboard. Once you connected, the access file will be located in the same directory where you will see folders like WP Content, WP Admin, and WP Includes. Once you have renamed the access file, try visiting your site to see if this solved the problem. If it did, then give yourself a pat on the back because you fixed the internal server error. Before you move on with other things, make sure that you go to Settings Permalinks page in WordPress admin area and click the Save button without making any changes. This will generate a new access file for you with proper rewrite rules to ensure that your post pages do not return a 404 error. Method 2. Increasing the PHP memory limit. If you are seeing the internal server error only when you try to log into your WordPress admin or uploading an image in your WP admin, then you should increase the memory limit by following these steps. Create a blank text file called php.ini. Paste this code in there. Memory equals 64 megabytes. Save the file. Upload it into your /wp-admin/folder using FTP. Method 3. Deactivate all plugins. If the first two methods cannot work, then deactivate all plugins and then check your output. Method 4. Re-uploading core files. Method 5. Ask your hosting provider. If all methods fail to fix internal server error on your website, then it is time to get some more help. Contact your web hosting support team and they will be able to check the server logs and locate the root cause of the error.